All right, so we're on 7.7 in our practice journal, solving inequalities using multiplication or division. Very similar to what we did last week with addition and subtraction. Okay, so our central question: how can you use multiplication or division to solve an inequality? Activity 1: writing with an equality. Work with a partner. A store has a clearance rack of shirts that each cost the same amount. You buy 2 shirts and have money left after paying with a $20 bill. Which of the following represents your purchase? What does X represent? Explain your reasoning. All right, so the correct choice is, highlighter. Oh, where's my key? There it is. Highlighter. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, sorry guys. Erase annoying side and highlighter. All right, so the correct answer is 2 times X has got to be less than or equal to 20. All right, so let's break this down. What does that mean? All right, so if I buy 2 shirts and I buy 2 shirts and I have money left over after paying with a $20 bill. So sorry, guys. So I have 2 shirts. So 2 shirts times the cost has got to be less than or equal to $20. Okay, and so that's what that inequality is saying. 2 shirts times the cost has got to be less than or equal to $20. All right, and then I can sum that up, simplify that into the inequality of 2x is less than or equal to 20. You could easily use c as your variable. The example they just happen to give you is x, so 2x less than or equal to 20. All right, and so that's what that inequality means. And so part B, graph the possible values of x on a number line. Explain how you decide what to graph. Okay, so the most that your shirts can cost, X, would be $10, because you can't. If they were more than $10, you would not have enough to buy 2 shirts. So the most that they can cost is $10. So I'm going to start with 10 over here. That's the maximum amount of money that they can cost in order for me to get 2 of them. But it's not the. I mean, they could be less than that though, because if it was 2 times 9, it'd be $18. I would still have enough to if I had $20. The same thing for 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4, and you can keep going, 3 and 2. I guess 1 would be, actually, you can even do 1 too. All right, so all those values, that's a really good deal if you could buy a shirt for $1. So I'm out, so there you go. But all those values would make that inequality true because I can plug in any one of those values and it's still going to be less than or equal to 20. 2 times $5 is $10, so it's less than 20. 2 times 7, $14, less than 20. All right, so those are all the possible values. So there's more than one answer. That's why it's an inequality. And C, can you buy a 3rd shirt? Explain your reasoning. And I would say this is kind of a tricky question, but yes, it just depends on how much the shirts cost. So I would say anything below $6, and we're assuming that the shirts are even whole dollars, like it could be decimals. So anywhere, it would actually be no more than. So it's not erasing. So it would be no more than. Oh, that erased. I don't know why that's erasing, but anyway, it couldn't be any more than 6. Oh, there it goes. Because 3 times 6. Say the shirt was $6. 3 times 6 would be 18. I'm still not over that $20. But if I go to 7, 3 times 7 would be 21. I'm no longer the money that I have is exceeding that $20. So $6 would be the limit. So yes, you can buy 3 shirts if the shirts are less than $6, but no, you cannot if they are more than $6. All right, so go ahead and resume activity 2 and click on the video and we'll go over the answer.